Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are talking about all things contouring. So with this, it's all about shaping the face. What we're going to do is we're going to turn my face that's already prepped with foundation. You can see my eye makeup is already done, my lips are already done. Just add a little bit more shape to it. Just add in a little bit more definition, and that's all that contouring is. So contouring is just adding definition and shape and depth to your face. All you need is 2 shades of concealer. So you've got a light shade that will go under your eyes and to highlight your different features on your face, and then you've got a darker shade which will go on the shades of your face, and we'll see where those places need to go. So we'll start with the highlighting concealer, and this is your lighter shade. So we're going under the eyes and then along the T-zone. What you want to be mindful of is the areas that you highlight will be expanded and the areas that you darken or contour will be reduced. So that's where you'll create your chisels on your cheekbones and frame your face. So now we'll go in with our darker shade. With your darker shade, I'd recommend going in the shape of a 3. So you'll start on the top, work your way around under your cheekbone and then just along your jawline. You also want to bring some definition to your nose. So now that we have all of our markings on our face, we're going to go in and blend. We're going to let the highlighter sit. So we're going to let the lighter shade sit for a little bit longer so that it soaks into the skin, and we'll start by blending in the darker shades. My nose, I'm going to use a slightly firmer and thinner brush. We'll now go in to blend the highlighted area, and I'll use a blending brush for this. Now I'm going to go in and add a little bit more definition. I'd like to bring in a little bit more of a chisel under my cheekbones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a little bit more of the highlighting concealer, dip my brush into it, and then go in and draw a line underneath. If, like me, you're prone to having skin that will start to oil up a little bit around the T-zone, at this stage you'll now go in and add in a little bit of translucent powder. So to bring a little bit more depth into my contouring, I'm now going to go in with some powdered contour. So to finish, I'm going to add in some highlighter and blush, and that will be my look complete. And there we have it, your contoured look is all complete. Thanks for watching guys, bye!